Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hi, my name is Kubbra Sait and thank you very much for joining us at Pinkvilla. I'm quite upset with them because apparently now they're going to raid my phone, like right now, and I have to even show you the proof of my answers. So, kind of scared, kind of excited. Let's get started. Ooh, okay. I have quite a few, but I think, yeah, the heart one I think is the most used. So the kissing one and the heart one. It's like super popular. Oh, it's me seeing my first sunrise, like the first proper sunrise in Angkor Wat. Mishra ji, my driver. It's true. So I have, you know, this antioxidant drink called Nutrova. So I placed an order for that last night. My alarm and settings. I don't think I can take very good sexy photos, but Shivaji clicked some really nice sexy photos. Also, the recent trip that I went to Maldives for, Anup, man, he shot some really nice pictures. So I really like these two men in my life, very good photographs. Snake versus block. So it's like this new age snake game. So I'm very like Nokia 3300. So I need to go like, you know, like save the snake, eat the block, yes. Like nobody talks to me in that time. Like nobody, just don't talk. Oh, now. No, I think the selfies without, you know, like, you know, blurring this, smoothing the face and all of that nonsense. Yeah, I think I like those selfies the best. Let me show you. Oh, this one's really cute because I'm very cute. Okay, can you see it? My phone's broken, don't judge. It broke day before yesterday. I'm getting it fixed. But that's the selfie. A lot. Especially after Sacred Games, I have so many forwards that it's just crazy. So I have 4,897 photos. The third last phone photo, I still like this one. It's really sweet. I think it's really funny. So it's a screenshot by Ted Stoner, and it's just time for a pop quiz, and the chameleon just changes color and becomes the color of the seat. I think it's damn funny. So yeah, and if it's the photo, then this one. Yes, I found a cat in like the chapati place yesterday, and a friend of ours adopted it actually. Oh, interesting. Ranveer Singh is famous, so I have his number. I'm not getting it. Anurag Kashyap and Nawaz. This is really funny. No, I'm actually really sick with music. I can't ever remember stuff. So I'd have to say Ape Shit by the Carters. This is what I'm listening a lot. Also, when Kaam Pachis came out, I was listening to it on loop. So I really like that. Yeah. Ooh, this one. This is my favorite Cuckoo picture. The one that's all over the place. But wait, this is definitely my favorite picture. This is freaking rad. Look at this. So good. So nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think it's Red Canvas Studio. Oh, I don't have one. I get really shy about taking pictures on set. So I don't. But this would be a nice one. This is after the Rajiv Masand interview. And look at me, I'm just so happy to be alive in this picture. I'm just like, yes, this happened. So I had a lot of fun, you know, showing you what's inside my phone. I hope you had fun peeping inside it. I'm so happy that it was all like, you know, it's not PG rated content at all. So I'm really excited about that. Whew. Also, if you like this video, then I know you want to watch more. So firstly, like this video, share this video, and then subscribe to Pinkvilla. I know you're excited to do that. Just do it. Go, go, go.